to 50,000 तक का सफर. Let's have a look.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Kaushik and finally I've created my YouTube channel which I want to do for the past many years. But in between
1, 2, 3, 4.
Welcome back to Mind Review. I am Sakshi Kaushik and I'm so very pleased to share this with all of you today that Mind Review is now a community of more than 50,000 people. Yes, you heard it right. We now are a community of more than 50,000 psychology enthusiasts who are connected via this YouTube channel and various social media platforms of Mind Review. I'm so very grateful and so very happy for all of your love and kindness and care that you have been showing since the very beginning. So when I started this particular channel and the endeavor of Mind Review back in 2019, till today, 2024, I have been receiving so many kind comments and so much love that you guys are showering upon me as well as Mind Review. I'm happy to be a part of your psychology learning and I'm happy to hear a lot of you telling me that अब psychology के concepts clear होने लगे हैं, अब psychology everyday life में दिखने लगी है. So that really helps me to keep on creating more and more videos for just you guys. तो अभी मैं इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को एक सही समय मानती हूँ जहाँ पे कुछ टेस्टिमोनियल्स हैं that I would want to share with you guys. So a lot of people from this community itself keep on sharing their messages via Instagram, via email and other social media platforms from time to time about how they have cleared a particular examination, a competitive examination that they always wanted to, or how they have gotten into their dream college of psychology, how they have fallen in love with the discipline of psychology with the help of their hard work combined with certain videos of Mind Review. So following कुछ messages जो हैं वो उन्हीं लोगों के हैं जिन्होंने अपना hard work put in किया है and they have considered me worthy enough to share their joy. And today I want you all to also share that joy with them. Let's have a look at these messages. कमेंट्स और वो टेस्टिमोनियल्स देखे होंगे and you could read the happiness that the person might be feeling while writing those comments. I was so happy when I received these comments. I was so happy for these people, the hard work that they put in and how they considered Mind Review to play a role in their journey. But I also believe that it is a result of their immense dedication as well as hard work, that they were always eager to learn via various platforms, be it YouTube, be it the suggestions that I usually give of reading a particular book or solving MCQs from a particular book or a site or other things that the resources that are provided via this channel. You guys can also achieve your goals. You guys can also watch the videos if you feel like. हमने अभी तक कितनी सारी वेरियस पेपर्स के बारे में बात किया है, be it research methodology, statistics, the Cicerelli series that we started, the Let's Crack It series that we started, biopsychology and so much more. isn't it? So once again, thank you guys for your enduring support. I hope that आप लोग इस support को continue करेंगे so that I can also continue to make videos for you guys and to simplify the concepts of psychology as much as possible. Now a lot of you must be thinking कि भाई 50,000 community की announcement है, तो क्या कोई सरप्राइज होने वाला है हमारे लिए, क्या कोई स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट होने वाली है इस वीडियो में? So let's keep it as a surprise as of now because I am working on certain projects just for you guys. I'm working on something that would create a learning portal for you guys जहाँ पे आप लोग अपने साइकोलॉजी के competitive एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सके, या फिर अगर आप बैचलर्स में है, मास्टर्स में है, 11th या 12th स्टैंडर्ड में है जहाँ पे आप साइकोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो अपने उन सब्जेक्ट्स के कंसेप्ट्स को क्लियर कर सके और अपने एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस को अटेम्प्ट कर सके सही से, या अपने कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बैठ सके, और टू नेविगेट योर प्रोफेशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. सो आई एम क्रिएटिंग सच अ लर्निंग पोर्टल जहां पे आप लोगों को ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल पाए at a very subsidized price, you can say, or a very minimal cost, so that you can afford that and get the quality education that all the students deserve. So YouTube पे तो classes continue रहेंगी ही, YouTube पे तो videos आती ही रहेंगी. I will also continue to share my journey in the field of psychology with you guys, the learnings that I have had in the field of psychology, in the professional field of psychology as well, the paths that you can choose or the ways you can get into the field of psychology professionally or as a student. I will keep on making more and more videos related to that. But till then, ये जो सरप्राइज है, जो प्रोजेक्ट है जिस पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ, वो अभी मैं अनाउंस नहीं करना चाह रही. I will definitely launch that in the coming months. But right now I am working on it because I want it to be the best quality possible for you guys. I want it to be the perfect thing that you receive once it is launched. And once I am done with curating all of those courses and the learning portal, I will make sure that I do put out an announcement on this particular YouTube channel as well as on various social media platforms जैसे कि आपका Instagram हो गया, Facebook हो गया, LinkedIn हो गया. इन सभी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे भी आप लोग फॉलो कर सकते हो मुझे या माइंड रिव्यू को, so that you keep on getting updates, because I'm sure social media सब लोग चलाते हैं, एंड वो चलाते अगर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव मिल जाए, कुछ ऐसा मिल जाए जो आपको अपने एग्जाम को क्लियर करने में हेल्प कर दे या अपने साइकोलॉजी के डिसिप्लिन को बेटर समझने में हेल्प कर दे, देन how is it bad, isn't it? वो आपके लिए beneficial होगा. In fact, that would be a constructive use of social media, I believe. So if you do believe, make sure you follow us on these platforms, subscribe to this channel of Mind Review, and मैं और भी कई सारी वीडियोस अभी आप लोगों के लिए लाने वाली हूँ इसी चैनल पे. Till then, keep watching the previous videos. अगर आपको कोई concept clear करना है, do pour in your suggestions in the comment section of this video कि किस टाइप की वीडियोस आप लोगों को और चाहिए, क्या आपके डाउट्स हैं या क्वेरीज हैं इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड, that I can address in a video format. ठीक है? So have a very good day ahead. Keep sharing your love, keep pouring in your support, and so much love from me to all of you guys, that you guys shower, I shower back on you. And a lot of you met me during various examinations. I was so happy to meet you guys in different locations, and I was so happy कि आप लोग reach out हुए मेरे से, आप लोगों ने बात की. ठीक है? Thank you so much. Let's keep meeting like this online as well as offline and reach to new heights in the field. Till then, have a good day and bye-bye.